Marion and I are gonna make breakfast casserole today. This is something we make when we all have lunch together here on the farm. So first we start with canned biscuits. The next thing we do is spread the sausage over the biscuits. This is a really nice meal to make. It's really easy. The guys like it too. It has a lot of fuel for them after they've been working really hard. And then we're gonna sprinkle the cheese over the top. And next we're gonna do 6 large Pete and Gerry's organic eggs from our farm. Marion's gotten pretty good at beating the eggs. The yolks are actually pretty hard to beat, and they're nice, really healthy, dark yellow yolks. After that, we're gonna use half a cup of milk and beat it into the eggs. We're just gonna pour it over the top of the casserole. Preheat the oven to 350 and it goes in for 30 minutes. This is the finished product. So now it's time to dig in.